guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm gonna teach you this green and gold eyeshadow look, and for this I will use the Lancey eyeshadow palette. First I'm using this Scotch tape for my eyeshadow look. First I'm using this Wrestler's color from this eyeshadow palette, and for this I'm using medium blending brush, and I'm using this color as my transition color. Now I'm choosing whatever color from this eyeshadow palette, and I will blend this with my transition color as well. I am taking Wrestler's color again, and I am blending again with the transition color because I need more pigmented color in this area. Now I am using big blending brush, and I will blend them all together for smooth transition. I'm taking Ethics color from this eyeshadow palette, and I'm placing this in my outer corner of the eyes. Guys, I have used this color 3 to 4 times for this much pigmentation. I also forgot to tell you guys, I am using small blending brush here right now. I'm using again Wrestler color so that they will not look separated, and I will merge them together. I'm using Spotlight from this eyeshadow palette. I'm using a small brush here because small brush is more convenient for applying shimmer and glitter. You can use finger also for applying shimmer and glitter, but I prefer brushes only. Guys, I'm not cutting any part of this tutorial, and this is unfiltered video so that you will learn everything step by step. I'm using again Ethics, and I'm blending them together. After this I am using Swiss Beauty foil pigments. Guys, these pigments are so gorgeous. I just love them. The formula is love. I'm using small brush here because small brushes are more convenient for applying shimmer and glitter. You can also use your fingers for shimmer or glitter, but I prefer brushes only. Now I'm using again a thick color from this eyeshadow palette, and after this I'm applying this as eyeliner with a flat brush. Now I'm doing my lower lash line. I'm using the same flat brush which I used earlier. After this I will use Sugar Intense Black Kohl for my waterline. Now I'm using again a thick and with this I will blend them together. After this I'm using this gold color from this palette. I will give all product links in my description box. If you want to check, then please go check my description box for these all links. Now I'm using again a thick color and I'm blending them, and now I'm removing my tape, and I'm using restless color for my lower lash line. For this I'm using very small blending brush here. I'm using spotlight for my brow bone, and for the inner corner of my eyes I will use this shimmer. For eyeliner I'm using Maybelline gel eyeliner. Friends, if you want to learn any other look also, please do let me know in comments box. I'm using again Spotlight Shimmer eyeshadow from this palette, and I'm applying here. And after this I'm back with my eyelashes, and I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara for my upper and lower lash line. With that, our look is complete, guys, and I hope you like my tutorial. Please do like, subscribe and share my video as much as possible, and we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye, and thank you so much for supporting me. Please support me always like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Love ya.